Hey, at APC Flooring, we not only do the hardwood flooring, refinishing, and installation, we can also help you coordinate colors and pick the best products for your home. See, we have been doing this kind of work for 2 generations, and we know our business better than any of our competitors. We put this video together so that we could show you some before and after pictures of some recent work we've done. We couldn't show you all the work we've done, but these few pictures will show you what we can do for you. We want your business. Get in touch with us today for a free consultation for all of your hardwood flooring needs. Call today